Yo, what's up, my YouTube fans? I'm giving away a Black Ops 2. Black Ops 2. 2. Not 1, 2. I'm giving the Black Ops 2 away. And then, if anyone wants to win, just like, comment, and subscribe. That's the only thing I have to do. And then I'm going to pick my winner. And then 2 months from now, I'm picking my winner. Or I might pick a winner from 1 month from now if I get a lot of views on this video. I might pick one winner from this month. From November 30th, I meant, or December 20th. Then you guys could just like, subscribe, and comment. If I get a lot of views, I mean, just try to tell your friends or something, just tell everyone that I'm giving a Black Ops 2 giveaway. I'm having a couple other giveaways later on, but I'm making a couple videos tonight. That means just thank you, like and subscribe and comment. I'll pick the winner. I'll pick the first place winner on November 20th. No, November 30th, I meant. I'll pick the second winner December 20th. That means the first winner gets Black Ops 2 the quickest, you know what I mean? And just like, subscribe, and comment, and then I'll pick my winner. Thank you very much, YouTube. This is White Boy. I just copied the other guy's name, but I was bored. Thank you very much. Bye.